Hello folks, this is T. Brian Hayes here from Hayes Advisor Group with your June 2015 Educational Economic Update. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July. Wow, July already? I cannot believe that. Time is flying by, that's for sure. Well, in this month's video, I'm going to talk about some of the major economic headlines from last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you or for markets and for you as an investor, and also give you a market update. So please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. Greece dominated headlines last month as negotiators struggled to reach a deal between the indebted country and its European creditors. On the U.S. side, investors dealt with a Federal Reserve meeting as well as a better than expected May jobs report. In June, Greece took center stage as negotiations over bailout money faltered, forcing Greek leaders to push the issue to voters in a referendum. Greek banks shut down to prevent a run, also limiting ATM withdrawals to prevent panicked Greeks from pulling out all of their money. In the weeks ahead, we're going to be watching for more news from Europe as the fallout from the Greek crisis starts to land. Though the situation may be tragedy for Greeks, we don't expect to see significant issues in the U.S. That's mainly for two reasons. One, Greece is not a big contributor to the global economy, and two, Greece has been in various stages of crisis for years. At this point, economists, investors, and the government leaders are as prepared as possible for the crisis, and the markets have this information factored in already. Though we can't predict the future, we believe that the effects of the Greek situation on U.S. markets will be limited. We might see a short-term pullback as investors adjust to uncertainty, but again, we hope that attention will return to domestic fundamentals. The Federal Reserve Open Market Committee met in mid-June to discuss the current state of the economy. Though they didn't raise rates, Fed economists reiterated their commitment to the wait-and-see approach. Basically, we don't know yet when the Fed will begin raising interest rates, but a number of Wall Street experts are betting on a third quarter rate hike. Our rate expectancy already baked in the stock and bond markets? I think so. It's hard to know for certain, but the Fed has been doing a good job of laying the groundwork for future rate moves, so we can hope that the markets won't overreact when things start to go up. Domestically, the economic picture is looking brighter. The economy created 280,000 new jobs in May, beating expectations. Though the unemployment rate ticked higher to 5.5%, it came as a result of more people looking for jobs, which is a good sign about the labor market. The final number on Q1 economic growth showed that though the economy contracted in the first quarter, it only fell by 0.2%. This is better than expected and hopefully paves the way for a stronger second quarter. So far, estimates on Q2 growth range from about 2% to over 3.5%. Looking ahead, investors will be taking a close look at earnings reports from the second quarter to see how U.S. companies did in the past 3 months. We'll also be delving into economic reports from the first half of the year. All told, we've got a lot of information coming at us in the next few weeks, and we'll be certain to share that with you in the next update. So that's it for June. Now let's take a look at the investment markets for June. Overall, the markets lost a little bit in June, basically all towards the end of the month. However, this is just a normal small correction as the overall market condition has not changed. We still remain in a very low volatile bull market. Remember, changes will be made to current clients' accounts as market conditions change. As always, we're keeping a close eye on the markets and we will update you as necessary. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please feel free to call our office at any time at the number below. Once again, this is T. Brian Hayes with Hayes Advisor Group signing off for the month of June 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal situation with me, just give us a call at the office at 1-800-939-1603. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. So again, I look forward to talking to you again next month. Enjoy the July weather.